Hi, and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm Sarah Hatch. I'm a mom of 5 kids, and I'm also an artist. And today I'm teaching my daughter how to draw Aviva from Wild Kratts. So grab a really sharp Sharpie or a pencil, and let's get drawing. All right, we're gonna start by doing a wide curve, and then down. And then we're gonna draw a little line right there, perfect. And then we're gonna draw a thin ear right here. And then there's her bangs. So you go diagonal down from there, and then we're gonna curve it over right to there. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna go right here and curve up and then down. And then we're gonna go from this part and we're gonna meet it up, and then she's got like this dangling hair right there. Good. Okay. No, and then dangle it like it kind of curves in a little bit. There you go, perfect. So from right here where the hair is, we're gonna be doing a wide upside down rainbow.
Oreo shape.
It looks good. All right, so we're doing a circle right here, and then a little lower, another circle right here. Awesome. Okay, and then her eyebrows get covered up by her hair a little bit. So you're just doing them like that. And then she's got some eyelashes right here. And the other side doesn't really show her eyelashes. You just kind of make it a little thicker at the top of the circle on both sides. Do you see that? Okay.
Like eyelids.
Yeah.
Show it more.
And now we're gonna draw her pupils. They're kind of off to the side. Very good. Now, one thing you can do, you can draw a line around it, but you don't have to. You can use the color and just draw a line around it because it's really thin. So unless you have like a really thin Sharpie.
Or if you go really lightly.
Yeah. So there's the line around her eye. Okay. And then we're gonna do, kind of like a diagonal L, or like a upside down 7 for her nose. And then her mouth, you start under that pupil and you're gonna do the top lip like that.
You went over your paper.
I know, I know, I had to see. Hold your paper. Okay, and then her lower lip is like that. And then we're gonna draw the bottom lip and the top lip lines. Okay. All right, and then in her ear, we've got a little line. Okay, so now we're gonna do her neck. So draw a little line here, and then a curved line right there.
Somebody should do the tortuga.
Ooh, that's a good idea. All right, and then we're gonna draw a diagonal line right here. Hold your paper. All right, and then we're gonna do a curve right there. Okay, so that's one side of her jacket. And then the other side, we do a diagonal line down and then a straight line down. Good. Okay, so now we're gonna do a diagonal line down here, and then it goes back up towards her neck, right here. Good job. And then she's got a little V-neck shirt inside of there. All right, so now let's do this side of her body first. We're gonna do a shoulder right here. and then a diagonal line out for her arm, and then a diagonal line in for the bottom part of her arm, and then it curves right here, and then it gets thinner towards her elbow, and then it goes up. All right, and then we want a curved line, so let's see. Let's do our fingers first. Okay, so we've got one finger here, and then another finger right here, one right here, and then the pinky's kind of down, and then the rest of her hand right there. Very good. And then from this finger, we're gonna curve like that. Very nice. All right, and then the bottom of her hip is just right there. And then it's gonna go a line to here. And then she's got a belt buckle. That's a diamond shape. Okay, so now we've got a zipper right here. And then a line right here. And then a curved line. These are her pockets. And a line right here. Up, and then a line up, and then her chest right here, curves and meets up right there. All right.
Because she has long legs.
Yeah. All right, so let's finish the belt real quick. And now let's see if we can fit the legs in. Okay, so we've got this side, comes down, and then out. And just go pretty close to the bottom of the page, and then make a rainbow shape, and then go up, and it gets skinny right here, and then go pretty close to the belt, and a little line, and then go down, and curve it that way, and then back out, and then like that. And then it's gonna go in for the knee, and then back up for the hip, and then curve in. All right, and then her feet, we're gonna do one foot going this way, with her little sneaker sole right there, and then a curved line like that.
Does she sneak stuff?
And then this one, her sneaker sole is like that. And then one more rainbow right there. So that looks okay to me. And that looks good. Okay. And then she's got these little lines at the bottom. Real quick. We'll work on that hand in just a second. Okay, just 1 second. All right. So we've got her shoulder right here, and then it comes down, and then it goes out just a little bit, and then it comes in right here. And you've got the edge of her sleeve, these lines, and we should put the lines on the edge of that sleeve too. And then her hand, she's holding a screwdriver.
I have to use Prismacolor for this.
Okay, so for her hand, we're gonna draw 4 little skinny ovals that are gonna be holding a screwdriver. So that's the handle for the screwdriver. And then you just do a line, and then there you go.
Yeah.
And then you have to also show this part of the hand. I'm just gonna fix one little thing right here. I want it to curve a little more. To do her ponytail. So wait, don't, it's not right there. It comes out from her ear right here, and it curves right there. And then it skips under her armpit, and then it goes up and back over. Very good. All right, let's look through and see if we're missing anything. Oh, her belt, there's a little, oh, you already did that. And you did the lines. Let's see. Oh, her blue stripe along the edge of her jacket. Very nice. Okay. And put some stripes in her hair. Like that. All right. All right, we are ready to color ours. We're gonna do ours in time lapse for our recording, but at the very end, we're going to show a still picture that you can pause it on and be able to use it as an example so that you can know what colors to draw her. Good job drawing. Good job drawing Aviva. You did so good. Good job. I love it. I hope you had fun drawing Aviva. I would love to see how yours turns out. Tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram, and then I'll be able to see it. Or have your parents tag me. And we will see you next time.